you guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Leann, and for those of you who aren't new, welcome back, guys. So if you have not already subscribed, guys, please stop right now, go down below to the subscribe button and click it so you wouldn't miss another hair tutorial video from me when I upload. And if you want to be notified every time I do an upload, click the little bell notification next to the subscribe button. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, so today's video is going to be a protective kind of style video. It's a ponytail, faux ponytail hairstyle video that I'm trying to do. So I think it's 8 weeks post relaxer. I'm gonna put a little info card in here, but I think it's 8 weeks post relaxer, and I was gonna do it next week, but since this month has 5 weeks and it's David's birthday and his birthday all the way to the end of the month, I said I would stretch it. So I say, what better way to do a ponytail? I think it's long enough. So here is how short the back is. Remember, my cut was a tapered cut. So this is how short the tapered piece was. And then this is how short the middle is. It's not too short. I think I could grab it. See, I guess yeah. See, you got a little struggle over there. Yeah. So the ponytail I'm doing is, it's supposed to be like a low, but I can't go too low, as you can see. So I might put like right here where you get grip. So it's gonna be like a low sleek ponytail, and I'm gonna try to do like a side sweep. So that's why I have my hair already parted out, and you know, but I wash my hair and it's kind of straight, like ain't really get no texture, only down here get like texture like the curls, but I blow dry it and come out straight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my BB pink lotion is what I call it, but oil moisturizer, and this is like a hair lotion with castor oil, just so I could slick it down. And then I'm gonna use my ride or die, you know, my Amper style gel. This is the only gel that works. I old school, I know. I tried Eco Style and it'll flake too fast for me. This is the only one that won't flake. This is my ride or die. This is my OG. This is what I'm using. I have some rubber bands here. I have the big ones and I have the small ones as well to hold my hair in a ponytail. I also have my oil sheen, BB oil sheen, and I have my pump it up. This is BB too. Why I got the BB products, man? And I have my hairpins, and I have these, what do you call them? These little clips that I use all the time. And then I have my bristle brush, hard side, soft side. Probably gonna be using the hard side. And I have my big teeth comb, and I have my rat tail comb. So those are the basic essentials that I need. Oh, I'm a ponytail. So I went and I buy a new ponytail. It's the Freetress Drawstring Ponytail Yaki Straight, 22 inches. And I buy a 1B because I am not coloring my hair. I could color it myself, but I don't feel like going through all of that. So I was like, let me buy 1B. Okay. So yeah, this is a Yaki Straight, 22 inches, a drawstring ponytail. The other one I had was, I still have it, is the Equal, and that one was an 18 inch. But I wanted some length to my pony in the back, because you know. Oh, the hell is that? Yeah, I wanted some length for my pony in the back, so that's why I bought the 22 inch. So I part off my hair, as you can see. So I'm gonna do the swoop on this side. So I just leave the top, pin up the top, and then I'm gonna try to slick down everything else. And we're gonna see if we could get in a ponytail. I don't say a prayer already, so I pray for me too. I say a prayer before I start the video, so I need to say a prayer for me too, okay? That this hair works. So I'm gonna just take some point lotion and try and see if I could, being that my hair so straight, if I could give it some, you know, texture or something. I don't even know this thing good. Let me shake it up. I hope it's good. I had it for quite some time. You got expiration date on it? I don't think you know expiration. Does it? I buy from Sally's. Yeah, because it's coming out, it looked weird. Because I don't want to put on a gel yet. So this is just to slick it down. So I'm gonna have to do it in sections. I think I might just go ahead and use the gel. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use the gel and see where I could get my pony to get started. I think these rubber bands might be too thick. Might just slide out. That's what she said. I'm gonna use the smaller ones. The smaller black ones. So let me see what's going on here. I'm gonna just start out with the gel because hot mess already. So I'm gonna start from the back. Like I'm gonna part it and just do it layer by layer. Cause I don't know. I didn't want the hair be too straight because it was really straight since I put the blow dryer in it. Too straight in my hand. So I'm gonna just be gelling in sections. I could work with that. So now we're going to do the top part. And now we're going to mold this. I'm going to do it like just how I did that one in sections. So straight. So I'm going to mold on this first half. So now I'm going to just loose out the ponytail and then just put everything up in it in one. I think what I could do is add some weave just so it could look full hair, but I have to do it before I dry it. So I think I might add a bang because I want more of a sweep and my hair ain't full enough hair. So let me go get some weave and I go add it in and then we're going to sweep it back. So 1 minute. Okay, so I just went in and I add 2 tracks of hair that I had here. So I had to part it, then glue in one, and I used my weave glue. And I have the adhesive to remove it. So now I have like a fuller bang. So I just added 2 of them. Probably about short like this length, like short like this. I just added like 2 of them. No, actually 3. I had 1, 2, and then 3, and then 1 over here. So now I have like a fuller bang. So now we're going to just remold it. So that's how we're looking right about now. I'm going to tie it back. Like, okay, so that should hold it up for it to dry. So I'm going to dry my hair underneath the dryer and then I'm going to come back. So I'm back from under the dryer and I just took a piece of braided hair, anchor it onto my little ponytail just to give me, you know, an anchor. And I just go and braid it and then just twist it. Could just twist it just so it could give me like a anchor so the ponytail could have something to hold on to. And I'm gonna wrap it around. Okay, so I pin it down and now let's put on a ponytail. And I'm gonna leave all the products that I use down in the description box so you guys could go and check them out if you're interested in getting them. I just buy this ponytail from my local beauty supply store, 22 inches Yaki. I got the comb in the front to the top, comb to the bottom, and you get your drawstring. So I'm just gonna anchor it onto my head. I loosen out the string, and then I'm just gonna anchor it onto where I have my, make sure it's in my scalp. And just be careful when you're doing this because sometimes you could do it too tight. So just do it to your comfort level that you think you could tolerate. And that feels good to me. And just take the string and wrap it around. And then I'm gonna pin it under. Okay, so ponytail is on. And before I go wrap the piece from underneath under, I'm gonna fix my edges first. So I can just take piece from the bottom and wrap it around. So I can just take this and wrap it around. So we could look official. So just gonna make sure it's secure. See, she's looking official. And then it there. So I can just pin it up some more, just so it don't come out. Okay, so I just gonna add my oil sheen now. For this tutorial, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Once again, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more uploads from me, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I do an upload. So if you guys want to watch more hair tutorials, I'm gonna link them up above and down in the description box so you guys can check them out. Go and hit them up right down there or up above in the little index card. Guys, be blessed, stay safe, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video.